Last year, ghostwriting made up 80% of my income. But how did that happen? Let's find out. Hey everyone, my name is Natasha Tynes, and today I am going to share with you the ins and outs of ghostwriting, a fascinating word where your words create a voice for others. So stick around until the end. All right, so what exactly is ghostwriting? In simple terms, it's the practice of writing for someone else who gets credited as the author. So, whether it's a book, an article, a blog post, or even a speech, the ghostwriter's contribution usually remains a secret. My journey into ghostwriting started almost by accident. I was contacted by someone who asked me to ghostwrite a few chapters of a sci-fi novel. So I jumped on it and I did it. I loved the process, from understanding the author's vision to tweaking the draft based on the feedback, and every step was exhilarating. Then a memoir ghostwriting company found me on LinkedIn and asked me to be one of their ghostwriters, and I happily accepted. I've since completed a number of projects that range from documenting an Arab American businessman's life to telling the story of a female farmer in the southern part of the United States. So, ghostwriting has been incredibly rewarding, both financially and emotionally. It's really about hearing people's stories and bringing them to life. So, if you're considering ghostwriting, especially memoirs, one of the most important skills to master is interviewing techniques. So make sure to sharpen your method and ask the right open-ended questions. Another skill is to work on your listening and research abilities. All right, so now let's talk about tools. For me, I like to stay efficient and productive. So here is my ghostwriting tech stack. I use voice memos for recording, then I use Otter AI for transcription, then I switch to ChatGPT or Gemini to draft the first draft, then after I complete the manuscript, I use Grammarly. I also use Scrivener for organizing content and laying out the chapter, especially if I'm working on a big project like novella or a book. One thing to remember is that ghostwriting includes nonfiction, fiction, business writing, online content, and even social media posts. And each type has its own charm and challenge. So, are you interested in ghostwriting? You can check out my self-led course, Make Income from Ghostwriting. I included it in the comments below. And in this course, I share tricks and ways to find clients. So, are you ready to give this ghostwriting a try? Let's discuss and keep the spark alive, and I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.